Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline and today I have a review for you guys. Today I am reviewing the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and the new Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So as you guys know, this concealer has been the hype lately, so I went out to Sephora and got me one because I really wanted to try it out. I want to see if it's actually full coverage and what they say on YouTube is true. And this, I bought this with my own coin, so you get the full truth review. And before we begin this video, subscribe to my channel, because why not? Follow me on my social media. Everything will be here on the screen and in the description box below. What else should I say? I think that's it. Let's just begin the video. Now let me just pull this back because I don't want to get my hair full of foundation. Okay, now that I put my hair back, let's begin the review. And of course, I want to give this foundation a fair chance, so I'm going to use my best primers under to see how it, to see if it works really good. And if it doesn't, then I'll try something else with it. So for today, I'm using the Luminizer Primer by Dr.brant. And I'm just going to apply this everywhere. And I'm also going to be adding the Benefit Porefessional to my T-zone because I want to cover up them pores. Okay, let's start off with the foundation. The bottle is beautiful. I love the frosted bottle. So the foundation is not new. It's been on for a couple of years, I think. I just never picked it up. I've been knew my shade because I got myself shade match. I don't know, I just didn't pick it up. But the concealer gave me a more motivation to just see how they both pair together. So I finally picked it up, and I do love how the bottle looks. It looks beautiful. Usually I use this flat foundation brush and I'll swipe the foundation on, so that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm using the ColourPop F16 brush. It's a foundation brush, but I just like to use it to apply it on. Just like that. Some down here too. And using my Real Techniques beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend this all out. So far, so good. I like what I see. It looks nice. It's a nice medium to full coverage. It looks like it could be buildable. Okay, so far so good. I do like how it looks. It's a little bit too light. I forgot to tell you guys what color I got. I got the shade Natural Beige, and right now it's just a tad bit too light because I do have my summer tan on, but by the time this tan fades, this color is gonna be perfect for my skin tone. Okay, now for the concealer. So this is a super coverage multi-use sculpting concealer. It's said to be infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid, which I love. If you didn't know, hyaluronic acid actually helps with acne. I've been dying to try, so I got the shade Light Beige, and this is what the packaging looks like. Very beautiful. Looks just like the foundation. And here's your shade at the bottom. So they are very basically the same thing, just this is skinnier and taller. This applicator is a doe foot applicator, and it's a large one. It reminds me a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape, but this one is slightly smaller, and it does have like a little scent to it, but it's not bad. Now let's just try it out as our regular way. It's very creamy. Not as heavy feeling as I thought it would be, but it does feel nice. Grab a little bit more. Okay, so first impressions of just putting it on. It feels nice. It's very nice and creamy, not too heavy feeling. I thought it was gonna be thicker, but it's like semi-thick. Semi. She a little thick, but not too much, you know? It feels nice. It has that little kind of cooling effect. I don't know if it's because my room is always cold or that's how it is. Just putting it out there, but let me just blend this out now. So my initial thoughts on this, I love how this looks. My face look so flawless right now in my opinion. Maybe the lighting I have is a little too harsh, but in person, my face looks so good. So my initial thoughts, I am in love with how this looks. This looks so good. I even look like I have some highlighter in my face. The foundation is like not matte and not dewy either. It's like a satin, maybe demi matte type of feel to it. The concealer looks amazing. I love how it looks. Okay, to set my under eye, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Lock It setting powder in translucent. Is currently my favorite, but what I don't like about this powder is that so much product comes out. That's the only thing. My face look flawless. It looks good. It looks really good. Like, I'm really happy with the result, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna let a couple of hours pass by just to get the feels of it, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera, and I will see you guys in 1, 2, 3. So I am back. Didn't I say 1, 2, 3? So I finished my face off camera, and this look will be my next video coming up, so stay tuned. So I must say, I had this foundation on. I took a break. I will say I have had this foundation on for about 3, almost 4 hours, and so far it looks really good on the skin. You know, I took a break. I went and ate, you know, watched some TV, did this look, and it stayed on really nicely. I really love how the concealer looks. It has covered up a lot. Even though I have these really deep set lines, I would say that it covers more than my typical concealer. I think that's everything I have to say for this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below letting me know that you like this video too. And I'll see you in my next one.